This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Today I will show you how to spoof toll-free number. Open panel and click here, then click your username, then enter caller ID. Caller ID 1800111026. This is toll-free number. You can see here. You can put same, then save, back, and download this application. His name port SIPUC. You can put here username, passport, domain name. If you want to this account, DM on Telegram or WhatsApp. You can check description. Sign in. You can see here sign in successful. Now I am calling on US number. I have US number. You can see here this is US number. Dial this number with country code. I am calling. If you want more information about call us spoofing, check description and contact us Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you so much.